Welcome to this section of this training. Okay, so in today's training I will be taking you on a crash course on MetaTrader 4 or 5. MetaTrader 4 or 5, yes, depending on the app that you have on your phone. If you have MetaTrader 4, it's fine. If you have MetaTrader 5, it's fine. I mean this app here where the joystick is, that is what I mean, this app here. Okay, so if you're using MetaTrader 4, it's fine. If you're using MetaTrader 5, it's fine. What is the difference there? It's just that MetaTrader 5 is the upgraded version of MetaTrader 4. Alright, but they are same things. Okay, they carry out the same function and order, so don't be confused. So if you have MetaTrader 4, it's fine. If you have MetaTrader 5, it's equally fine. So I will go ahead and I'll open the app and I will take you on the crash course, okay, on MetaTrader 5. All that you need to know, all that you need concerning this training, you will be getting them from this video as far as MetaTrader 5 app is concerned. Alright, so I'll be making use of MetaTrader 5 because I love using it. Alright, so let me open the app so that we'll get a look of it. I have opened my app. You can see the interface. This is how the interface is. You can see things that appears inside this app, and I'll be taking you one after the other. If you look below here, you will see number one, you will see quotes, you will see charts, you will see trade, you will see history, you will see settings. Okay, now I'll be taking you on them one after the other, and if you look here, you will see a currency pair called Euro USD. Then you will see another one called USD CAD. Then you will see another one called AUD USD. Alright, I have three financial instruments here, three currency pairs that I have already listed here. So first of all, I will take you on how you can add other financial instrument that you want to trade. Let's say if you want to trade gold, okay, you go to this search box, you type in the symbol for gold is XAU. Alright, so this is gold here, so you just tap this plus sign. Once you tap the plus sign, it has been added to where other currency pairs are, and that place that other currency pair is situated is called the quote, which is the first option here. This first option, the quote. Alright, so you can see the gold, I've just added it. Alright, so this is how to add other financial instruments. So if I ask you to add any other instrument that is not on your MetaTrader 5 or MetaTrader 4, so you should know how to go about adding them. Alright, it's not difficult. Alright, so the next thing now I'll be going to explain is these numbers here. Alright, don't focus on the numbers above the currency pair. For example, Euro USD, don't focus on those numbers above there. Alright, and don't focus on the numbers below. They are not your business. Alright, they are not your business in the sense that you will not make use of them. It is your broker, the people that are giving you license to the financial market. They are the ones using those numbers for calculation. So it is not your business. So what you'll be looking at, the numbers that you'll be taking very, very serious is this number here, where the joystick is now. This number here is called the bid price, which is the buying price. And the next one is called the ask price, which is the selling price. So if you want to sell Euro USD, which is this currency pair, you will sell it with this particular amount, 1.0776. That is what you'll be selling that particular currency pair with. Then if you want to buy, you're buying at this price, which is 1.0775. Okay. Now I'll move to the next one option. We have the chart. Okay, the chart here. If you go to the chart, You will see how it is. Now let me go back to the quote so that you understand. So I want to enter the chart of Euro USD, because the chart is where you're going to see your candlestick, and that is where you're going to analyze the market so that you will know if you will buy or if you will sell. Alright, so I'll click on Euro, I'll enter chart. I've entered this chart now, and this chart now we have a lot of things that I'll be taking you on. This is the interface of the chart. Okay, just hold on, let me remove this indicator. Okay, I have removed that indicator. So this is your chart. Okay, the way your chart is, you can move your chart backward by you scrolling backward with your finger, okay, as if you're scrolling your pictures on your phone. All right, then as you're going forward, the chart is moving forward also. Okay, this is where the market is currently. So what do we do here on this chart? Though we are not analyzing, I am just here to show you the crash course on MT4 or MT5 app. Okay, so we are not here to analyze, and a video training is coming for that particular objective. All right, but here now we have the chart. This is where you will see your candlestick. You see this red and this green lines you're seeing, we call them candlesticks. Now the red in color is called the selling candlestick, whereas the green in color is called the buying candlestick. So anytime you see red candlestick, that means the market is coming down. That is to say the market is bearish. Okay, now anytime you see a green candlestick, that is to say that the market is doing what? Is going up. That is, the market is bullish. All right, so this is where we'll be analyzing our market, so you will get to know it more better in the next video series. All right, so another thing I want to show you here is time frame. Yes, time frame. So if you see over here, my top left where this joystick is now, you will see H1 simply means 1 hour time frame. If you click the H1, you will see different time frames. You will see 1 minute time frame, you will see 5 minutes, you see 15 minutes, you see 30 minutes. So anyone you click, that is what the chart will turn to. If you click 5 minutes, the chart will turn to 5 minutes. If you click 15 minutes, the chart will turn to 15 minutes, and so on. Even 1 week and even 1 month. That is, MN is 1 month. Okay, I'll take it back to 1 hour. All right, so that is that for that one. Then here we have the cursor. This is where I got the cursor from, where the joystick is. So once you click it, you drop it back. Once you click it, you pick it. You can use the cursor to get your numbers by the side. Okay, you can use the cursor to get your numbers by the side. Then I'll drop it back. Then the next sign there is the F sign. We call it the indicator sign. If you click it, it will take it to where you can add indicators. So let me say I want to add moving average, 200 moving average. I will just click. Already is on 200. Let me edit and put it back. It's on 200. I can just click it and now place down. You can see this gray line here that just crossed my candlestick. Remember, I just told you that these are your candlestick. So you can see this line here that just crossed this candlestick from below. So that is the indicator I just added. All right, then we'll move to the other parts here. Let me take you there. This joystick, where the joystick is the next one I want to talk about. It is called your object. Okay, here is where you get your trend line. Like this is your trend line, this is your horizontal line, this is your support and resistance toolbox. Okay, now this one we use it to draw our support and resistance. Let me pick it. Once I click it, I've picked it. I can just draw it like this. Okay, it has become a box. I seen it. Then you enter that place again. You can pick this horizontal line, you keep it where you want to keep it. It has become an horizontal line. Okay, then I'll go over there and pick the trend line. You can take it, drag it like this. Sorry, let me get this right. Yes, you can drag it like this and extend it. You have gotten your what? Your trend line. And mind you, if you want to zoom your chart, you can make use of your two fingers, just the way you used to zoom your pictures on your phone, right? The way you used to zoom your pictures on your phone. So these are the things that we'll be using to be analyzing the market, but we're not going to be analyzing our market in MetaTrader 5. We'll be using TradingView app. All right, I'll be giving you the crash course on TradingView app and how to set other things. So I just want you to get acquainted with this interface, because this is where you'll be placing your trades. This is where you'll be opening your trade. After analyzing in TradingView, you will come here and execute the trade. Okay, so moving away from that, I'll go to this particular place. This is where you set your stop loss and your take profit. This is stop loss. You can set your stop loss. Stop loss means if the market is going against you, I don't want to lose more than so amount. You place it there. Okay, you place it. Like, let me say, if this market now moves, this green candlestick moves and gets to this stop loss sign, I want to go out of the market so that my money will not get exhausted. All right, in the subsequent videos in this training, I'll be teaching you risk management. All right, how you can manage your risk very well. So these are the important things that you need to know. So remember, in this training, I'm taking you straight up so that you can start trading. I'm here to teach you what will be profitable to you and for you. Okay, so that is the stop loss. Then if I want to set my take profit means to take the profit that you have made in the market. I can now, it is called TP, why stop loss is called SL. I can put my take profit here. Okay, then I can buy the market from here, currently where the market is. So if I want to, I can sell the market from here. Remember, if you are selling the market, you have already predicted and analyzed that the market will go down. Like, the market will go down from where it is now down to this your take profit. Okay, so if anything happens in the market and the market refuses to come down and start going up, you'll be in losses. That is why you need to set your stop loss, so that you will say that, remember, trading is a risk to reward business. All right, you must pay. For example, you're risking $2 to make $8. Okay, so you must know that you are risking $2 to make $8. So if the market goes against you, you will lose $2, but if the market goes in your favor, you're making $8. Okay, and I will equally teach people how to set your break even. All right, how you will set your break even, and even if the market is going against you, you will not be in losses. All right, so that is that for this particular one. So I believe you have learned something about stop loss, take profit, and how to sell the market. All right, so I will remove that particular one. Then the next one here is for you to buy. Okay, remember the number I told you about, that is for sellers and for buyers. They have already positioned themselves here. Before you click on sell or buy, you must know what is called lot size. Lot size is, for example, how many lots do you want to buy? Okay, if you want to buy standard lots, you will input here 0.01. You put here 1, that is standard lot. If you want to buy mini lot, you will input here 0.1. If you want to buy micro lot, you will input here 0.01. Depending on your account size, you will not be using $20 account to be trading one standard lot, because that is not a good risk to reward management and pattern of trading. All right, so moving away from that, as a beginner, always put your micro lot size before you click on buy or sell. Always trade 0.01, so that when you lose money, it will not be huge. I'm teaching you what I have experienced. Okay, so don't be a greedy trader that will go in the future and start looking for get rich quick scheme, because you know that one so I'm going to be dropping my fundamental basic forex education ebook for everybody that is privileged to be in this particular training. Okay, to get a glimpse of the basics of forex, because in this particular training, I'm taking you straight to how you start trading and how you start making money. Advanced, that is what I mean. So let's move away from that. So once you get it done, once you set it, then you can click on sell or buy. If I should click on sell or buy now, I will be in the market. And mind you, I have not analyzed this market, so I cannot trade blindly what I don't know. So that is that for that one. So the next thing now that you need to know now is, if you click on sell or buy, your trade now will now come to this place. You can see the trade where this joystick is. So this is where your trade will appear. Now this trade, now you can see what is here. This is your real account actually. Balance is $16, equity is 26.18, credit is 10.15, free margin is 26.18. Now let me explain. My balance is the actual money that I have in this account, all right? Then the equity means the total money I have, both the bonus and everything I have in this account. So if you open a trade, your balance might be $16, but if you're in profit, it will show in your equity until when you close that trade. That is when the whole money will now come to your balance, all right? Then credit now means the bonus that you got when you deposited in your broker, all right? Then free margin is the ability that you have to trade before your entire money will be exhausted from this account, all right? Then your open trade will be here. Your open trade will be here. You will see it. You will see all the information here. That is how it is. Because I don't have any open trade, that is why I don't have any information here yet, all right? So we'll move to the next one. So here now is your history. This is where your trade, when you close your trade, this is where you will see the history. How much did you make? What did you trade? Did you sell or you bought? Did you sold or you bought? Okay, this is where you're going to see all those informations. I hope you're following me. Then you go to settings. So this is settings. Now you can see that this is my account, and you can see it is Octa Market Incorporated MetaTrader or Trader 1. It is a Octa account. This is not demo account. Okay, so here now you can set your chart, you can do anything you want to do. Just feel free to navigate this part. Okay, as far as you're not placing trade, feel free to navigate this part so that you will understand what they are. So this brings us to the end of this particular MetaTrader 4 or MetaTrader 5 crash course. Okay, now you have seen how it is. So when you have analyzed your market, you are done analyzing your market in trading view. Okay, when you're done analyzing your market in trading view, okay, all you need to do is to come here, search for that particular financial instrument that you have analyzed. When you search for the financial instrument you have analyzed on this bar here, it will appear. You add it. When you add it, for example, if it's Euro USD that you added, you click it. Once you click it, it will show you trade. You click on trade. Once you click on trade, it will bring you to this interface. Now once it brings you to this interface, you enter this place. Let me take it again so that you will not get confused. Trade. Then you will see that the market is already on sell stop, so that is not what you want to trade. So you always like to trade instant market execution. You will not want to trade sell stop, okay, because sell stop is a limit order. So you want to trade instant market execution. So you click where this joystick is now. Once I click it, you will see the different kind of market type. So you click on market execution. That is your selling on that particular price at that moment, or you're buying at that particular price of that moment. Then buy limit is you don't want to buy now. You want to set buy limit. When the market gets to that place, you buy. The market will automatically buy for you, whether you're online or you're not online. Then we have sell limit, the same thing. We have buy stop and sell stop. The market will just automatically stop for you, just like your stop loss and your take profit. You might not be watching your chart every time, but once you set all these limit orders, they are going to execute themselves for you. But if you click on market execution, you're executing your market immediately once you click. So change it to market execution. Then you make sure this is your lot size. Remember what I said. This is your lot size. You make sure you're trading according to your account size. Don't go and trade what is bigger than your account size. I advise If you're even trading $50 account, I advise you trade 0.01. Okay, so make sure it is on 0.01. all right, then you can click sell or buy. If I click sell or buy now, I'll be in the market. I have not analyzed the market, so I cannot take that risk. All right, so that is that, and that is how you come and open your trade. So the next training will be the crash course on Trading View app, because that is where we'll be focusing to analyze our market. Then we'll come to our MetaTrader 4 or 5 to open the trade. Let me just run it down. Trading View, you analyze the market. That is where you monitor your chart and everything. Then MetaTrader 5 or 4, that is where you execute your trade, you open the trade, and that is where your trade will be running in profits or in losses. Okay, so that is how it is. Thank you, and I will see you in the next series.